This week Artifact launched their innovative clothing line infused with NFC technology. Clones across the metaverse got a treat as their creators jumped in with Rug Radio to discuss future projects. This included Move to Earn and their dream collaboration being Kanye West. Minting of the latest release will run until the 7th of September, followed by a week's forging ending the 14th of September. This comes as reports of the second mysterious monolith box reported a spike in energy whilst under observation this week. Teams of scientists and degens are beginning to come together in preparation for the attempt to penetrate the box. This is expected to begin in the coming weeks. Scientists are no closer to discovering what the box contains. Many believe it to contain further DNA-infused artifacts as found within the previously discovered box. The origins of this box are still unknown. In other news, more controversy for Obsidian Robotics after they have confirmed that their flagship product, the Metashima, will be aboard the upcoming mission to Planet X. It was announced yesterday that the Shimas will be available to assist the X-droids in the hunt for riches expected to take place towards the end of the year. The X-droids, which are now being offered to the public through a limited whitelist, are being advertised as the only way the average person from the metaverse can take place in the hunt for the riches that many say still belong to the Xylan civilization. This comes as Obsidian Robotics continue to refuse to release full details on the recently reported malfunction of one of their Shimas. An official investigation into Obsidian Robotics is due to commence, but authorities have said that this could take some time. That's not all for Obsidian Robotics, as they also announced a partnership this week with creators of the driver helmet, Cultivate. Some claim that this announcement was an attempt to distract the general public from the concerns over the Shima malfunction. Let's hope the two companies can join forces on cleaning up the recent controversy they have both been caught up in. That's all we have time for today, and as always, keep it classy, fam.